The dream is starting your own business with zero startup cash. Or is it? Have you ever dreamt of being your own boss? Imagine setting your own hours, answering to no one, and watching your bank account grow while enjoying your favorite drink on a beach somewhere. Sounds pretty good, right? Now, what if I told you that you could launch your own online business with absolutely zero upfront investment? No, seriously, I'm not kidding. The world of e-commerce has opened up a world of possibilities for aspiring entrepreneurs. With the rise of dropshipping, anyone with a laptop and an internet connection can launch a profitable online store. No need for a warehouse full of inventory, no need to pack and ship orders yourself. Intrigued? You should be. In this video, we'll dive deep into the exciting world of dropshipping and show you exactly how to build a thriving online business step by step without spending a dime of your hard-earned cash. Get ready to unleash your inner entrepreneur and embark on a journey towards financial freedom. Dropshipping demystified, your products without the inventory headache. Dropshipping is a fantastic business model that allows you to sell products online without actually holding any inventory. Think of it like being a middleman, connecting customers with awesome products from suppliers. Here's how it works. 1. Customer places an order. A customer visits your online store and purchases a product. 2. You forward the order. You receive the order and payment details and then forward them to your dropshipping supplier. 3. Supplier ships the product. The supplier takes care of packaging and shipping the product directly to your customer. The beauty of dropshipping lies in its simplicity and low overhead. You don't have to worry about manufacturing, storing, or shipping products. This eliminates the need for a physical storefront, warehouse space, or a team of employees. All you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and a burning desire to succeed. With dropshipping, you can test different product ideas and niches without risking a ton of capital. Plus, you can run your business from anywhere in the world. Ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind and become a global entrepreneur? Let's dive into the exciting world of niche selection. Niche down to rise up, finding your winning product category. Choosing the right niche is crucial for dropshipping success. A niche is simply a specific market segment with unique needs and interests. Trying to sell everything to everyone is a recipe for disaster. Instead, you need to focus on a specific group of people and cater to their desires. Think about your passions, hobbies, and areas of interest. What are you knowledgeable about? What problems do you see that need solving? Brainstorm a list of potential niches and then research them thoroughly. Look for niches with high demand. Are people actively searching for products in this niche? Low competition. Are there too many established players already dominating the market? Passionate audiences. Are people emotionally invested in this niche? Once you've identified a promising niche, it's time to validate your idea. Browse online marketplaces like Amazon and Etsy. Analyze competitor websites and social media pages. The goal is to gauge the level of interest and competition before you invest your time and energy. Remember, a well-defined niche is the foundation of a successful dropshipping business. Shopify made simple, building your online store brick by brick. Now that you've chosen your winning niche, it's time to build your online store. Shopify is a powerful e-commerce platform that makes it incredibly easy to create a professional-looking store without any technical expertise. Think of it as your virtual storefront, showcasing your products to the world. Setting up a Shopify store is a breeze. Simply sign up for a free trial and follow their intuitive step-by-step guide. You'll be able to choose from a wide range of customizable themes to match your brand aesthetic. Add your products, set up payment processing, and configure shipping options. Before you know it, your online store will be up and running and ready to accept orders. Shopify offers a plethora of built-in features and integrations to streamline your business operations. From inventory management to marketing automation, Shopify has got you covered. Don't be intimidated by the technical jargon. Shopify's user-friendly interface makes it easy for anyone to master. Remember, your online store is your digital real estate, so make it shine. USA Drop, your secret weapon for seamless dropshipping. While Shopify provides the platform for your store, you'll need a reliable dropshipping supplier to handle the fulfillment process. That's where USA Drop comes in. USA Drop is a game changer for dropshippers, offering a wide selection of high-quality products, fast shipping times, and exceptional customer support. Integrating USA Drop with your Shopify store is a seamless process. Simply install the USA Drop app from the Shopify App Store and connect your accounts. Once integrated, you'll be able to browse USA Drop's extensive product catalog and add products to your Shopify store with just a few clicks. It's that easy. USA Drop takes care of the heavy lifting, from storing inventory to picking, packing, and shipping orders. They offer competitive wholesale prices, allowing you to set profitable margins. Plus, their dedicated support team is always there to assist you every step of the way. With USA Drop as your trusted partner, you can focus on what matters most, growing your business. Product pages that pop. Grab attention and drive sales. Your product pages are the lifeblood of your dropshipping store. They are the first point of contact between your potential customers and the products you're selling. A well-crafted product page can make all the difference between a conversion and a missed opportunity. Start with high-quality product images that showcase your products from different angles. Write compelling product descriptions that highlight the benefits and features of your products. Use persuasive language that speaks directly to your target audience's needs and desires. Don't forget to include social proof, such as customer reviews and testimonials, to build trust and credibility. Offer multiple payment options and clearly display shipping information to enhance the customer experience. Remember, your product pages should be designed to convert visitors into paying customers. Grand opening, launching your store with a bang. Congratulations, your dropshipping store is ready to launch. But before you start spreading the word, it's crucial to ensure everything is in tip-top shape. Double check your product listings, pricing, shipping settings, and contact information. Test the checkout process to ensure a smooth and secure customer experience. Once you're confident everything is running smoothly, it's time to unveil your masterpiece to the world. Announce your grand opening on social media, email your subscribers, and reach out to influencers in your niche. Offer special promotions and discounts to incentivize early adopters. Launching your dropshipping store is an exciting milestone, but it's just the beginning of your entrepreneurial journey. The real work starts now, driving traffic to your store and converting visitors into loyal customers. Spread the word by marketing your dropshipping empire. Marketing is the lifeblood of any successful business, and dropshipping is no exception. With countless online stores vying for attention, it's crucial to stand out from the crowd and attract your target audience. The good news is, there are countless effective marketing strategies you can leverage to drive traffic to your store. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok are goldmines for reaching your ideal customers. Create engaging content that showcases your products, provides value to your audience, and builds a strong brand identity. Run targeted advertising campaigns to laser focus your marketing efforts and reach the right people at the right time. Influencer marketing is another powerful strategy that involves partnering with influential individuals in your niche to promote your products to their followers. Reach out to influencers whose audience aligns with your target market and negotiate mutually beneficial collaborations. Remember, effective marketing is all about building relationships, establishing trust, and providing value to your audience. Level up. Scaling your business for maximum profit. As your dropshipping business starts generating consistent sales, it's time to think about scaling your operations for maximum profit. This involves optimizing your existing processes, expanding your product offerings, and exploring new marketing channels. Consider investing in marketing automation tools to streamline your email marketing, social media management, and advertising campaigns. Outsource tasks such as customer service and order fulfillment to free up your time and focus on strategic initiatives. Explore new product lines and expand into related niches to increase your revenue streams. Don't be afraid to experiment with different marketing strategies to see what resonates best with your target audience. Remember, scaling your business is an ongoing process that requires constant adaptation and optimization. Ready, set, go. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Starting a dropshipping business with no upfront investment is an incredible opportunity to achieve financial freedom and become your own boss. The journey may have its challenges, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Remember, success in entrepreneurship requires passion, perseverance, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Don't wait for the perfect moment. There's no better time to start than now. Take that first step, embrace the unknown, and watch as your entrepreneurial dreams become a reality. The world of e-commerce awaits, and the possibilities are limitless. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tell All Wealth, and hit the notification bell for more tips. Thanks for watching.